Hi and welcome back to the channel. This morning I'm having to cut out some acrylic mounts for the sword cabinets that are downstairs, and before that I need to do some modifications on the computer just to make the backs a little bit shorter. So I'm going to crack on with the computer work and then head downstairs to the laser. This there is a focuser, so to get the correct focus on the material you have this little gauge, and as I bring the bed up to the head, when that gauge drops off, you know you're at the correct place. That tells you it's focused. There we go. We'll probably have a mini fire under here, but as long as the bed's clean underneath, it'll be okay. As you can see, you can just catch in a light underneath. As it goes through the aluminium table, it creates a spark. You see the little white flick as it hits the aluminium. Well, that will drop out of there. Just cut through it. Yep, there we go. Completely drop out, and we've got a nice mirror finished edge to it. Hopefully you can see that on the camera. At the moment it's still got the protective coating on, so I'm going to leave that on for now to stop it getting any damage. Look at that. That one fits better. That one's really flush.
Yeah, it's nice.
That one could just do with a bit more of a push. Oh yeah, that's better. Yeah, perfect. What does it say?
6.5.
6.5. So if we did a
7.
Yeah, or a 7.5 mil hole.
7.5.
Yeah. Be a bit of luck if it fitted, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
And it was perfect height. Oh, it's not quite.
Oh.
It's not far off though.
You need a couple of.
If we measured that height, well, it can't be much off that. 9 mil. Bang on. That's it.
It's not too bad.
Not actually having the sword makes it pretty difficult to work out whether the sword is actually going to fit. I'm going to cut another one of these, but slightly shorter, so that if the customer gets it and their sword is too tall to fit in the cabinet, we've got another option which will be a slightly shorter stand. Sometimes that... Oh yeah. Look at that. There is a bit of transportation foam in there, but it's okay. It looks good. Acrylic mounts are there. That one to hold a medal, and that one to hold the scabbard and the sword. Paul's been working really hard this morning in the spray booth. Still in there now, and he's just finished all 24 of these plinths that I showed you yesterday. They're all fully top coated now. Got a few little groups of them going on here. Those ones that are over there are the ones that have just been finished. They're going to take about 2 hours before we can lift them off their stands and carry on with other things. And let me turn you around and you can see what he's up to at the moment, which looks like spraying the back of a sword cabinet. Busy working away again. But it's looking good. It's doing a really good job of this. Good. It's the end of the day on Thursday and it's been a really productive day. We have finished the 24 that you can see behind me, just there. They're all done and ready to go out on a hire job on Sunday. Here we have 3 standard 40cm cabinet bases waiting for glass to go on. The glass is in the assembly room waiting for these to be finished. They're all done now. And the doors are over on the drying rack over here, which I can take and show you. And there we've got 3 doors for those 40cm cabinets and 2 backs, which are for the sword cabinets and for base and top covers for the sword cabinets underneath. Coming into the assembly room today, we've got the sword cabinet that is now finished. As you can see, I've put a couple of safety swords in there from 23 and 22. These are from the British Safety Council themselves, who they lent them to us so we could actually make some more products for them. I think it's looking really good. I like the blue backing. It's the first time we've done that and I like it. It looks really good. That was the client's spec to have that blue backing velvet. It's got a couple of doors on this one from the front so you can get in there. But yeah, looks really nice. I think the lights really make it. I'll just turn the lights off so you can see what it looks like in its own right. Let us know in the comments what you think of this cabinet, whether you'd like one or what you think you could put in it. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. And please like and subscribe to the channel if you'd like us to create more content of what we're doing in the workshop, which hopefully you will. Hopefully you're finding it interesting and that will encourage us to do a few more videos. Bye for now.